In this video, I'll walk you through how to enable cheats in The Sims 4 on Xbox, PS4, PS5, and PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides. First, launch The Sims 4 and load into your game. If you're on PC, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. You'll see a white text box appear at the top left of the screen. If you're playing on a PlayStation or Xbox console, press and hold all four shoulder buttons at the same time. On PlayStation, that's L1 plus L2 plus R1 plus R2, and on Xbox, it's LB plus LT plus RB plus RT. This will open the cheat console. Now, in the cheat console, type testing cheats true and press enter. You should see a message confirming that cheats are now enabled. Once cheats are active, you can start using any supported cheat. For example, type money followed by the amount you want, then press enter. The amount will be added instantly. And that's it, that's how you enable cheats in The Sims 4.